Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again in another video. So, have you ever wondered how can I have a chat with a Doraemon? How to do that? So, don't worry because this Cici AI will help you guys. So, without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this Cici AI, and don't worry because this app can be also installed into your Android or the iOS phone. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email, and you can simply open it. And this is the look when you would like to have the chat. And if you are the new user, this Cici AI will give you the greeting first, something like this. Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Cici, and humorous, friendly, and helpful friend. And if you would like to have the conversation or chat with the Doraemon Chatbot, then you can go to this menu. And after that, if you don't find any Doraemon or another history here, then you can click the discover and you can type Doraemon here. And you can simply click it, or you can also choose the another Doraemon. Well, this CC contains a lot of a chat friend if you would like to have the conversation, randomly with the another chatbot. And for example, here I have ever had the conversation with this Doraemon, and usually it will, if you are the new user, they will give you the several option of the question, and if you would like to continue the conversation, then you can just click or type this, what the weird tool you have ever shown to Nobita, for example. And usually they will give you the instant response like this. And also you can see the detail of this Doraemon here. And if you would like to change the language, then don't worry because there are several languages here. There are English, Arabic, Deutsch or Germany, and Espanol, Filipino, Bahasa Indonesia, Italiano, Japanese, Korean, Melayu, Portuguese, Thai, and also Chinese. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this app if you would like to have the random conversation, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.